Hi there. It's me, Alexa, talking to you through an Echo Dot. So whether I'm in here, or over here, I'm always happy to help make life a little easier. You can ask me for a song or a podcast. Check sports scores or the weather. Control your compatible smart home devices. You can even set up routines so that I do a bunch of stuff with one phrase.
Alexa, start my day.
Good morning. Your first appointment is at 10 a.m. Brunch with Jordan. When you talk to me, your voice request is sent to the secure Amazon cloud only after the wake word is detected.
Alexa, is a tomato a fruit?
The answer to your request is then quickly sent back to your device. Here's what I found. And because I live in the cloud, I'm always getting smarter and finding new ways to help. Thanks for listening.